Man, that's a dang good looking P-trap. I tell you what, boy, them drains is looking good. Almost like a professional was out here before or something. I mean, just crazy. Alright. Not feeling anything from the condenser outside, so we will go that direction and check out why the condenser is not running. Alright, so arrived at the outdoor unit here, and even though the indoor unit's calling, there's really no action out of this unit. So first thing I'm going to do with this is check out our low pressure switches. Alright, so this device is meant to detect low pressure. Okay, so when there is not enough pressure, the switch opens. When there's enough pressure, the switch closes. So real quick, we've got our stuff set up to continuity here. Basically, we touch the wires together here. Okay, that entails that the wires hold all the way through. So we'll check out our wires here. One lead going into one side, other lead going into the other side here. So there is no continuity in this, okay? That tells me a couple of different things. Either we got a bad switch, or we are really low on refrigerant, and that way the unit's trying to save itself from damage, cuts off on low pressure, the unit doesn't function. So next step, we're gonna go get the gauges, we're gonna check it out. Alright, next step, we've got the gauges on. Still have our low pressure switches off here. Got the gauges hooked up. Bam. I mean, we have like next to nothing with refrigerant here. So it's definitely a leak going on, and we need to figure out where it's leaking, why it's leaking, and what's going on. Okay, so we've got the outdoor unit. We know it's low in refrigerant. We're looking for the leak. We've got a little bit of nitrogen in there. Now we're looking at the coil. Okay, so you can see it's got all this rust that's going on with it here. Just trying to be quiet and really listen here. So, see that little portion down there that's a little wet. Okay, so that is a lot of oil that I'm seeing on here. I mean, the rest of my hand doesn't look like that shininess right there. Feels like oil. If it looks like a duck and quacks like a duck, that's probably a duck. This is more than likely going to be our culprit here. So my next plan of action, since this is a Sunday, I can't really call today on this coil and check it out. So I will call tomorrow morning, get this checked out, see if there's another coil available for this, and go from there with it. Something cool? Jeremiah, do something cool? Alright. Just got done switching out the evaporator coil here. Put all the drain lines back together. A couple extra couplings, of course, but no big deal. Line set the insulation. I mean, it's just a minor repair here. So far, so good. Everything's looking great.